Look at these birds making love. It's springtime, y'all. Now that's nature. Two birds getting it on. Let's get it on. Oh, baby. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Sugar. Let's get it on. They ain't playing no game. They don't care who's watching. Boy, they not playing. I guess when you gotta get it off, you got to get it off. They ain't playing, boy. It's good. It is good. It is good. Look at them. I mean, I just had to record that, y'all. You don't run across this every day. Now, I know y'all agree. Love is all around me. Look at the love. They ain't playing, y'all. That's serious business right there, man. Little freaky little birds. That's what it looks like when two people in love. Y'all see me? They don't care. It's real, y'all. It is real. See, when I'm out and about in nature, you run into stuff like this. Your average celebrity ain't gonna show y'all no footage like this. Love is all around me. Look. It's so real. I'm blessed to have the opportunity to record this. When I get that feeling, I want sexual healing. Sexual healing is something that's good for me. Good teardrops are falling, and my emotional stability is feeding me. There is something I can do. I'll just get on the telephone and call you up, baby. And honey, I know you'll be there too. Trying to give him some good music. Go ahead, man. Get that thing. He ain't playing around. Boy, this is some YouTube footage and a half right here, man. I'm just gonna stay on it just so y'all can believe it. Ain't nothing to play with now. He flying in there, boy. I ain't lying. He had to bring it down to earth. Get on the ground with him. Good God Almighty. Serious business, boy. Boy, you bad now. You taught me something. Look at it. They kissing and all. Look at it. Go ahead now. Oh, he love that thing. He in love with that thing. He don't care that I'm right here this close. Look at him. Go ahead, buddy. Last night I thought back when we made good love, listening to some Marvin Gaye all night long. Now I want that old thing back to make these moments once again comfort. So won't you, do it for us, baby. Good loving body, rocking, knocking boots all night long. Yeah. Making love until I tie you to the break of dawn. Set her all, come on, and turn the lights down and let me get on it. Cause when I do just me and you, it'll be so right. Say, give me that good love. Them birds is rocking, knocking the boots. Say, give me that good love. The bird is rocking, knocking the boots. Yeah. Say, give me that good love. The bird is rocking, knocking the boots. Yeah, yeah. Say, give me that good love. Yeah. Listen. He said, I feel so good when I'm near you. Oh, that's why I always want to be close to you. I'm so addicted to making love to you, baby, all night long, baby, all night long, gone, they gone, man. Boy, I gave them some good theme music. See what I'm saying, man? The homie kNOw looks out for nature, man. I do my part. Y'all gotta pay attention. You saw it here first. Subscribe to that YouTube channel, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Peace and love.